Hi there, my name's Nat Nathan. I'm from the Piccadilly Circus company and I'm here in the juggling studios in Cornwall to bring you a very quick video on throwing doubles with 3 clubs. Okay, exercise 1. Throw some doubles with your preferred hand. Try throwing them high and loose. Have a go at doing short, fast spins. Eventually, find what's most comfortable for you, somewhere in between. Once you're comfortable with your preferred hand, have a go at throwing some doubles with your least preferred hand or with your weaker hand. Exercise 2, still just 1 club. We're going to throw it in a double spin from our preferred hand to our weak hand and back again. Okay, for the last stage of this, we're going to put the double spin into our 3 club cascade. Once you're comfortable, try it also with your weaker hand. Eventually, you should be able to work your way towards throwing double spins with both hands solidly. Okay, that's getting started with double spins. I hope that was useful. I hope you've learned something. I'll see you again very soon. Bye now.